Give a big round of applause to all of our teams. Diba? Isa pa guys, come on, another round of applause.
Guys, louder! Di ba kayo masaya?
Sa'yo naman talaga with Epson.
Correct.
Okay, so we will be awarding this one. Una sa lahat, we would like to award our fourth runner-up. Or our fourth place winner.
Yes.
Tama, fourth runner-up. Okay, for our fourth runner-up, this one brought their impressive energy and resilience, mixing strategy with a bit of a dash of determination. Ito guys. And of course, you had, tama po ba, a total of 70 points. Diba? So we've garnered the scores, no? Point system tayo. And the fourth runner-up were able to actually gather 70 points. And our fourth runner-up, this is Team number 3 or the yellow team!
And each of you will receive 1,500 SM voucher. Kami!
Yay! Ay, sila Ma'am Noel po pala to.
Ako din kasama ako dito.
Feeling ko yung 70 points nila Ma'am Noel, 50 points yung sayaw niya doon. Oo. Ang taas.
Yun. Yun kala. Scare ko, I think, and dance.
Okay, everybody, let's have a photo op together with Ma'am Donna. Sige po, Ma'am Donna, come and join us for a photo op. Smile! Once again, everybody, palakpakan naman po natin ang ating fourth runner-up. We have the yellow team, team number 3. Congrats, guys! Hey, 1,500 pesos of worth of SM giveaway voucher.
Kasi, sa Team Yellow.
Ay, lalo ka pala.
The fourth.
Diba? May 1.5 ka na tonight. Uy! Alright, so get ready you guys. Of course, after announcing our fourth runner-up, we will be awarding our third runner-up. Ma'am MJ, dito ka sa amin. Lapitan mo kami. Sige.
Biglang lumayo.
Parang ang layo mo dyan, Ma'am MJ. Dito tayo. Oo, we're all in this together. Okay, third runner-up na tayo, guys. So for this one, the third runner-up, ito po, pakita ko po sa inyo. Ayan. Added a strong kick of teamwork and determination with a solid performance. Totaling to 95 points. Woo! 95 points. Ito guys, I'll be announcing. Alright? Our third runner-up, 95 points. The winner is... Ma'am Donna, sige po, do the honors.
Team Orange!
Team Orange! Let's go, Team Orange! Each member of Team Orange will be taking home 2,000 pesos.
2,000 pesos SM voucher each.
Grabe, collection! Sige po, tabi-tabi kayo dyan. Come closer, everybody. Closer. Tabihan niyo po si Ma'am MJ at si Ma'am Donna. Alright.
Guys, gawan naman natin ng variety yung mga picture natin. Walang may gusto ng yubo ko.
Oo, di ba? May waki, gano'n. So, pasayahin natin. Alright. Thank you so much. Meron pa. Selfie daw, guys. Come on.
Yan, selfie.
Once again, everybody, let us congratulate our third runner-up. We have Team Orange!
Congratulations, Team Orange!
Eto na, malapit na tayo with the final results.
Correct. Ano next after ng third?
It's gonna be the second runner-up. Alright, diba? 4, 3, 2. Ayan, tama naman ng mathematics
Tama
natin.
naman.
Exactly.
Tama naman.
So for the second runner-up, eto na. Konting-konti lang yung difference.
Kinakabahan na sila.
Ilang teams na lang ba natira? How many teams left, guys?
3.
Sino yung mga teams na natira pa? Ano pa? Purple, what else? Blue, green. Alright, sila na lang. Purple, blue, green. Okay, sige. So for the second runner-up, kanina yung third runner-up, 95 points. Eto, ang ating second runner-up had a total of 100 points.
Wow.
Yes, it's a short 5-point difference. Okay. So for this one, Ma'am MJ, gusto namin marinig ka rin namin tonight.
Correct.
Okay? Gusto namin ang
Girl,
taas ng
magsalita
energy.
ka.
Oh, ibugabuhang
Kagabi
ng
may
todo.
energy
Oo.
eh.
Higyan ng drinks.
Pagod. Nag-massage ka na
Oh,
ba?
that's why. Uy, palapaka naman natin si Ma'am pala ang nag-host kagabi, diba? Let's give her the recognition she deserves.
Yes,
Diba?
very magaling.
Gusto mo bang samahan na rin kami tonight? Alright, ma'am, do the honors. Alright, so for our second runner-up, anong team po ang nanalo?
Team!
Ano kaya? Anong team?
Purple!
Purple nga! We have Team Purple, everybody!
Congratulations!
Ang lakas yung mag-manifest, guys!
Parang tinanggap nila na.
Sabi nila, okay, kami na yung second runner-up. Kami na yun. Exactly.
Kinakabahan na si Green and Blue.
Green and blue na lang.
Oo, for sure. Pero let's celebrate Purple first.
Okay, sige, photo op po tayo. By the way, guys. Alright, each of you guys will be taking home 2,500 pesos worth of SM voucher.
Wow!
Ayan, nag-picture si Ma'am. Sige. Ayan, selfie. 1, 2, 3. Closer kayo, guys. Closer. Alright.
Pieces nila sa screen.
Exactly. Thank you so much, everybody.
Congratulations!
Eto, para mas spicy tonight.
Gusto ko ng Alamis You.
Ako rin. Gusto ko yun. Gusto ko yun.
Ito eh. Alam ko ang nararamdaman niya na yung kaba.
Dito po tayo sa gitna. Ayan, kaba.
Dagdagan natin yung kaba. So ano makukuha ng first runner-up?
Eto, sige. For the first runner-up, guys, listen up. Ito yung team na second, basically, no? So that will be, you guys will be taking home 4,000 SM gift voucher each. Each yun, ha? Each.
Correct.
Grabe naman. Oo.
Sana hindi ko ripot si Epson.
Nakakatuwa. Oo.
And then, ang grand prize
Sige,
ay...
ikaw naman bahala nito. You may announce.
Okay, ang grand prize ay 5,000 pesos each.
Grabe naman yun.
Voucher. Voucher, sorry.
Voucher, yes. Alright, so guys, sabi nga natin, gusto natin ng MU fashion.
Yes, please.
Miss Universe style. So,
So, tayo. So, can
tawagin
we
na natin.
ask-
Can we
Yes.
request members of the blue team and the green team? Samahan nyo naman po
Here
kami
in
dito,
front,
guys.
please.
Dito tayo, guys. Tara.
Sanda.
Ano ba? Ano team mo?
Ayan,
Ano
sige
team mo?
lahat. Magkaharap kayo ha, magkaharap kayo. Sige. Para makita namin ang inyong excitement.
Picture din, no? Palit tayo.
Dito tayo. Sige, Miss Pam, dito daw tayo sa gitna. Para MU talaga. Dito tayo, dito tayo. Ayan. Huy!
Huwag mo nang mag-aaway. Charot.
Sige.
Ano feelings? Gusto ko muna malaman. Anong tingin nyo?
Sige, tanungin muna natin sila. Anong grupo pala sila? What group are they?
Sige, kaya pala muna guys. Gusto nyo si Donna, manghula kayo. Sino tingin nyo ang winner tonight?
Orange!
Wala doon. Tapos na yun.
Talaga ba, ma'am?
Green and blue. Sino?
Yellow!
Sino guys nagsabi ang panalo ay blue team? Ay, wala. Sino nagsabing it's green team? Siyempre naman.
Competitive.
So let me guess, green team kayo. Hi, blue team.
Gusto ko malaman. Anong feelings nyo tonight?
We're not threatened.
Taray!
I think they will rebut. Okay. Kaya naman po, ano ang nafe-feel nyo tonight?
No pressure.
They don't feel any pressure right now, diba? Janina San Miguel. Alright, eto na. We will be announcing our winners. Okay, get ready guys.
Miss Donna.
Sige. Eto. First runner-up muna, ma'am. Yes.
And the first runner-up
Oh,
is...
wait guys. Hingang malalim muna. Hinga muna. Sige, inhale. Alright. Inhale. Grabe naman. Sa tingin ako sa dalawa ha. Oh, inhale muna. Inhale. Pero bawal mag-exhale.
First
Inhale lang.
runner-up is... Team...
Ay, wait lang ma'am. Sige.
Blue! And the winner is... Team Green!
Alright, everybody. Our first honor for tonight is the blue team. Dito tayo, blue team. Sige po. Photo op muna. sige.
Gusto na kasama.
Congrats, guys! Woo!
Congrats also Blue Team. Ilang points si Blue Team? Mataas eh.
Eto, sige, let's reveal the points now.
Okay.
So kanina yung ating earlier, no? That's 100 points. Eto naman, for the first runner-up, the blue team, who we are having a photo of tonight, 110 points.
110 points. Mataas guys. Congrats.
Congratulations, guys.
Congratulations.
Sabi nila, we don't feel any pressure right now. Eto naman yung team na hindi threatened.
Yes.
Sige.
A team
Tayo mo na.
threatened green team. Please take a picture guys.
Eto, ladies and gentlemen, your champion for our Fusion Tournament. Palakpakan naman natin. Our green team. Green team, each of you guys will be taking home again 5,000 worth of SM gift voucher
Yeah.
to celebrate this grand and fiery victory. Thank you so much, Epson.